back button AF, and more. Like almost every EOS digital SLR, the EOS 60D lets you change various aspects of the camera's controls and operations. One of the most popular options with Canon users is the traditional back button autofocus. With this option, you can change the camera so that AF is activated by pressing a button on the rear of the camera, separating focusing from shooting. What's new on the 60D, though, is the range of choices for how the camera meters light and how and where AF is started. The easiest is in the Quick Control menu by pressing the Quick button on the camera. Or you can use custom function 4.1. Either way, you have an unprecedented range of possible options for setting up your camera. What these controls let you adjust are the following. What happens when you press the shutter button halfway down? What happens when you press the AF on button on the back of the camera? And what happens when you press the AE lock button, which is marked with an asterisk icon? By default, out of the box, when you press the shutter button, you start up the camera's metering system and you also start autofocus. But with the EOS 60D's custom controls options, you can change that. You can set it up so that there's continuously active metering but no AF. Or you can set it up so that you lock exposure the instant you press the shutter button halfway down. You can set either the AF on button or the AE lock button to be the button that starts up autofocus, Canon's classic back button AF. You can keep AF at the shutter button and use either back button to lock focus with AF lock. Or you can make either button an auto exposure lock. There are 10 different possibilities in the custom controls menu. In each, you tell the camera what happens when you press the shutter button halfway down or press the AF on and AE lock buttons. Meter means the camera will start metering and the metering is continuous. It will change instantly if the lighting changes. Meter and AF start means that you'll start continuous metering and also start AF with the same button. AEL is auto exposure lock. Press the button in question and you lock automatic exposure. And AF stop means if you press this button during continuous servo autofocus, you'll lock focus while it's being pressed. There are even settings to disable the rear buttons if you don't want to use one or the other. Try a few different options and you'll no doubt find settings that can be helpful in certain shooting situations.